Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and that is one beautiful Backdraft Cobra. This baby's got a 427 under the hood, a 5-speed, and it is absolutely beautiful. Check out the black stripes and the paint. Man, my favorite color. Now, I call this a strawberry red. It's got a real light metallic in it, and it is gorgeous, man. It is absolutely beautiful. Now, these cars are built over in South Africa, completely assembled, the suspension, the paint work, everything. The only thing that's done here when the cars get here is they slip that motor and trans in, and then away you go. Check out this interior. She is beautiful. Wood steering wheel. Check out the Cobra on the shifter too, man. That is so cool. Love all the red stitching in here. 4-point harness in there, keep you safe. Absolutely beautiful. Backdraft has that BMW suspension underneath it. Handles like it's on rails. We got a little bit of rock guard here. That's so when that front tire throws up a rock, you don't have to worry about putting chips in your paint. It's got the real knockoffs on it, just like Carroll Shelby ran back in the day at the racetrack. Those blacked out side pipes look great on this beautiful paint. Look at the trunk there. Plenty of room in there. Get some lawn chairs in there. Small set of golf clubs. I'll tell you what, you drive this down to the country club, you're gonna get some attention. Of course, the fuel fill that all the Cobras had on them. When you look down the side of this beauty, look at all the reflections in that paint. Now that is one beautiful car right there. You wanna talk about going fast, sitting still? This is a beauty. Blacked out wheels. I love these hash marks on the side. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment whatsoever. We own every one of our cars. I bet we've got about 14 Cobras in stock right now. So check out our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. Go to Facebook, Instagram. We're always posting new stuff. We're bringing in anywhere between 40 and 50 new units every month. A lot of Cobras, guys, so go to the website often. We've always got new stuff coming in. Now, Tom answers his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day, so you can call him anytime, and if he doesn't answer, he will call you back. Now, I've got about 35 years of experience in the muscle car industry, and I'm gonna use that experience every day to help you pick out your dream car. Let's take this Backdraft for a ride. One of my favorite cars, my favorite motor, my favorite color. I'll tell you what, it don't get much better than this. Guys, this car sounds amazing, it looks amazing, it drives unbelievable. I tell you what, if you've never driven one of these, you gotta get behind the wheel of one of these cars. Most fun you will ever have on the road. It is as close to driving a go-kart on the road as you will ever get. Fast as can be. It is grease lightning. You wanna talk about attention? Everywhere you go, people will be following you, wanna talk about this beautiful car. And we can deliver it anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will explain to you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway, no matter where you live. As you can see down here on the dash, everything you need's right here, easy to see, everything's working. The car is amazing. just under 1,600 miles on this one too. Barely broken in. Tell you what, I put 1,600 miles on this car in about 2 weeks. I will run the wheels off of this baby. Now we are very close to the airport here in Detroit, so if you'd like to come check out our cars in person, we would love to have you. Even though we sell most of our stuff sight unseen on the internet, we love to have you come in, and we encourage you to come in. So come on in. You know, we're here on Saturdays too, so if you'd like to drive in, we're here from 9 to 3 on Saturdays. So come on in, just give us a call, let us know you're coming. We do have a lot of square footage and a lot of cars in stock. So let us know you're coming so we can make sure we got your favorite car right up front where we can get at it real easy for you. Now here's our shop. We're about to get this baby up in the air so you can check out the bottom side. Then we're gonna pop the hood, see what's making the music come out of them side pipes. All right, we're underneath the backdraft now, and you can see this thing is beautiful under here. Look at that TIG weld, man. I tell you what, the guy that built this tank really knew what he was doing. All aluminum, looking sweet. That aluminum looks brand new. It is beautiful under here. Look at all the paint work on the frame, all the welds on the frame. Like we said earlier, these cars are all built over in South Africa, all assembled over there in a factory. The car is amazing. All BMW under here. The suspension, of course, independent in the rear. 342 gear in here. Of course, it is Posi. Everything looks brand new under here. Very, very well kept throughout the years. T5 Tremec 5-speed under here. You see all the lines, the fuel lines, the brake lines, of course, everything brand new. All the wiring, everything tucked up in. I mean, it's a brand new car under here, guys. Explosion-proof bell housing. It does have a hydraulic clutch on it. It's just gorgeous under here. I can't say enough good things about it. Of course, BMW front suspension up here too. It does have rack and pinion steering. It is manual rack and pinion. Struts are what's holding up the front end. You see that nose? Look at that. Slick as can be, man. That paint work on the nose is absolutely beautiful. I love the color of the paint. Man, it is just gorgeous. I tell that story all the time. My grandpa had a motorcycle that color, and it really brings back those memories. Of course, knockoff wheels. That's what Carroll Shelby, man, he made these things famous. They've got the tie wire on them, but that center cap is what actually locks them on these backdrafts. Blacked out, looking sweet. And of course, these are the big uns. These are 245/40 18s. And of course, disc brakes, blacked out side pipes, just beautiful. I mean, you can see that paintwork right down to the bottom edge looking sweet. The paintwork even on the frame looking sweet. She is gorgeous. Of course, back here, this is where we're putting horsepower to the ground right here. Of course, knockoffs back here also. 295/40 15s. Little secret about the knockoffs, guys. When my cameraman tells me I said that wrong. 295/40 18s back here. Now, a little secret about the knockoffs. Whenever you're taking these off, you always knock them off towards the front of the car, whether you're on the passenger side or the driver's side. So once you get this locking center cap off and the wire, you hit them down towards the front of the car is how you get them off. Well, let's get underneath the hood. All right, under the hood here, we've got a stroker motor. This is a 427 stroker. Starts out life as a 351 block. It is a dart block. It's got Edelbrock aluminum heads on it. Looks like it's got an Edelbrock intake on it that they've painted black. It's got a 770 Holley 4-barrel sitting on top. MSD is what's making the fire. We got MSD coil over there also. It's got serpentine belt set up on it. You can see they've made it real sinister looking under here. The black valve covers with the Ford Racing logo on them. Everything else, we got a little bit of chrome, a little bit of stainless under here. Very, very cool car, guys. This thing is just sexy all over. Super clean under here, just a beauty. You can see it does have power brakes, which is very cool. Can't say enough good things about it. I think I already said that. If you can't tell, I love this car. She's a backdraft, a lot of horsepower, beautiful color, low mileage, fun to drive, guys. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.